2008 Unibody Macbook Random Access Memory Upgrade. Make sure that the MacBook is shut down, and let's start off by flipping it over. Press in the battery cover latch and remove the panel. Next, remove the battery. There are 8 screws that are holding in the bottom case panel. We'll start off by removing the top 4 screws. The first screw is the short screw, and the next 3 screws are long screws. On the bottom of the panel, there are 4 distinctly small screws. Let's go ahead and remove those, and that will release the bottom panel. Once the 8 screws have been removed that are holding down the panel, gently grip it up in the top and remove it out of the way. The memory module banks are located right above the battery socket. Go ahead and gently pry them outwards, and the memory module will come right out. The proper memory module for this MacBook is a 204-pin DDR3 SO-DIMM PC3-8500. Place the SO-DIMM into the slot at a 45-degree angle, then gently press down on it and it should click right in. Place the bottom case panel in the same manner that it was removed, gently pressing down on it, making sure that no cable connections are being pinched off. Reinstall the top 4 screws, starting with the shorter top left screw, and next the 3 longer screws. Now reinstall the 4 smaller bottom screws for the panel. This will finish attaching the panel. Place the battery back into its socket. Now place the battery cover on top. Make sure to use the battery cover latch to firmly lock it in place.